Modern Sceptre monitors in 2025 come equipped with built-in audio capabilities that eliminate the need for separate speakers in many situations. Most Sceptre monitors, 24 inches and larger, include integrated speakers with power ratings between 2 and 3 watts per channel. These speakers are built directly into the monitor housing. Sceptre monitors support multiple audio connection methods, giving users flexibility in how they receive sound from their devices. HDMI connections carry both video and audio signals in a single cable, making them the most popular choice for most users. This includes support for surround sound pass-through. DisplayPort also provides high-quality digital audio transmission alongside video, commonly used in professional and gaming setups. USB-C connections in newer models provide a single cable solution, carrying power, video, and audio all through one port. The traditional 3.5mm audio jack provides a direct analog connection and serves as a reliable backup option when digital audio encounters issues. Here we can see the actual audio ports on a Sceptre monitor. The headphone jack is clearly marked and easily accessible for direct audio output. Recent Sceptre monitor models include significant audio improvements designed to enhance user experience across different applications. Enhanced digital signal processing provides clearer sound reproduction, reducing distortion and improving overall audio quality from the built-in speakers. Gaming-focused models feature low-latency audio modes that minimize delay between visual and audio cues, crucial for competitive gaming performance. Premium Sceptre models now include Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, allowing wireless audio streaming from smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Understanding the audio capabilities helps set proper expectations for Sceptre monitor performance in different use cases. The built-in speakers typically cover a frequency range from 100 Hz to 18 kHz, which captures most human speech and music frequencies adequately. With 2 to 3 watts of power per channel, these speakers provide sufficient volume for desktop use, but are not designed for room-filling sound. Audio distortion remains below 5% at maximum volume, ensuring clear sound reproduction for typical office and casual gaming applications. While Sceptre monitor speakers are not audiophile quality, they provide a cost-effective audio solution that eliminates the need for separate speakers in many everyday situations. Sceptre monitor speakers excel in specific use cases where convenience and space saving are priorities over premium audio quality. For office environments, the built-in speakers handle video conferencing, system notifications, and background music effectively without requiring desk space for external speakers. Casual gamers find the speakers adequate for game audio and voice chat, though competitive gamers typically prefer dedicated headphones for optimal performance. User satisfaction surveys show 72% positive ratings, with 89% of users completing setup without assistance and 60% using the speakers daily. Setting up audio on your Sceptre monitor begins with proper physical connections. HDMI is the most common and recommended connection method as it carries both video and audio signals in a single cable. Next, select the correct input source on your monitor. Use the monitor's physical buttons or on-screen display menu to choose the input that matches your cable connection, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Configure your computer's audio output settings to recognize the monitor as an audio device. In Windows, right-click the speaker icon in the system tray and select your monitor from the playback devices list. Access your monitor's built-in speaker settings through the on-screen display menu. Navigate to the audio section to adjust volume, bass, treble, and other sound preferences for optimal audio quality. Test your audio setup by playing music or videos. If you encounter issues, check Device Manager for audio driver problems and update drivers as needed. Most audio issues are resolved through proper driver installation. Sceptre monitor speakers are ideal for home office video calls and casual gaming. Research shows that 78% of remote workers rely on monitor speakers for their daily video conferences, making this setup both practical and widely adopted.